Hey guys, Xavier here with RSO Suspension. In this video, we're going to be talking about our off-road style sway bar kits. This is a great modification for the Jeep JK. This allows you to utilize the full articulation of your suspension without having to manually disconnect your end links. This kit includes everything you need for installation: steel arms, chromoly sway bar, adjustable end links, machined aluminum frame mounts, Delrin bushings, and zinc plated hardware. This is our powder coated steel arms with the 3 holes for adjustment. This allows you to adjust the stiffness of your sway bar for the type of driving that you're going to be doing. Our sway bar itself is constructed out of 4130 chromoly steel. This increases the strength overall, as well as being powder coated in order to resist corrosion. The adjustable end links allow you to adjust the height required in order to be able to set your sway bar angle for the type of driving that you're going to be doing. These come with double walled sealed boots, zinc plated hardware, and the ends are forged as well. The machined aluminum frame mounts help reduce weight while increasing the strength of the overall design. The Delrin bushings are self-lubricating to help keep friction minimal. They eliminate any slop between the sway bar and the aluminum arms, as well as all required hardware is included in the kit. So if you want to get the maximum flex out of your vehicle, head on over to rsosuspension.com.